All right, folks, it is time once again for another Latchkey food review. And, been eating a lot of bad for you stuff lately. A lot of, monster burgers and stuff like that. Every now and then I like to eat something a little bit more on the healthy side. Not completely, but, a tad bit more on the healthy side. And when I like to do that, I like to go to Subway. Or possibly some of the other sub sandwich restaurants, that we have around. But Subway is the easiest one because there's like Subways everywhere, right? They're everywhere. None of your other sub shops are always readily available in every town you go to, but it seems like there's a Subway everywhere. And in my current town that I'm driving in now, there's probably about 3 of them I can get to. And there is one on my way home now. There's a lot of businesses closed down in this area, so this Subway is the last thing standing that's open other than, some random gas stations and stuff. So, it wouldn't surprise me to see this one closed down, but hey, who knows? Maybe they got enough business on this end of town, to keep them floating. I hope they do, because this one was the very first one that came to this county, when I was a young teenager. So, alright, so Subway's changed a lot. And they got a lot of different sandwiches that I'm not familiar with. Now, I'm familiar with a lot of them. But they got some stuff I'm not familiar with, so I'll make sure they're open. Oh yeah, the open sign is on, so I'll show you. Here we are. Pulling into the Subway. Here we are. Alright, so I tried that beast last month, I don't know if they got anything different other than that one that I've never tried before, but I'm going to go look into it. What is it? Oh, there's some stuff on the sign. Okay, there's some things that I'm not familiar with on this Subway menu. The All-Pro Sweet Onion Teriyaki, the Elite Chicken and Bacon Ranch, the Great Garlic, and the Mixie Collie or something like that. If I'm reading it right, my eyes is not the greatest, so I can't really see what I'm trying to read there. But I got some others too that I'm not gonna sit here and read right now. I'm gonna go in there and get something. I don't know what it's gonna be yet, but it's gonna be something different that I've never tried before. And whatever that's gonna be, we'll talk about it when I get out of here, when I go get it made. All right then. All right, so I got it. All right, the one I came out, and there's a lot I've got to explore here. A lot. All this is new to me. I am familiar with their classic menu. This is their sub that they call the Monster. Now, it's got kind of like a Philly steak on it. And it's got bacon and peppercorn ranch. You can get all the usual fixing on there. I love their lettuce. It's so fresh. Their onion is so crisp, like it come out of the garden. And banana pepper, black olive. They were out of jalapenos, which I usually get those, but they didn't have any this time, but I got pickle on there as well. And that lady loaded it down. Look at that. The Monster. That bread is soft and fresh. And that is your monster right there, folks. That's a good sandwich. Of course, I got me some drink. To wash this bad boy down with. That's a good sub. I mean, it's good and tender. And it's different than our old steak and cheese. That specialty, the monster stuff, the bacon on there, peppercorn, all that adds a little extra something to it. I am enjoying this one, folks. Now, the monster, this one is nowhere near as big as the beast that I got last month. But it is delicious. And it is a totally different kind of sub than what I've had at Subway in the past. I like how Subway is taking their menu and introducing new ideas into it and still, able to maintain their classic line of sandwiches at the same time. I mean, honestly, I was so used to following their menu for coming here for so many years, I would have never thought to add the bacon and the steak together like that. That was totally some missed opportunity going on there. Whew. All right. So I'm going to finish up the other half of my sandwich, and I will talk to you when we hit the road in the afterthoughts coming up next. Alright, folks, so my final take on Subway, the monster. It's basically just, kind of like your old steak and cheese, but the bacon really adds something to it, and the peppercorn ranch, of course, all of that, combined together, makes the monster. And classically, they let me pick out my own vegetables the way they always did. Oh, and the Monterey cheddar or whatever is good on there, but you can choose any cheese you want. It's a good sandwich. It's a good combination that you can just order, and they already know, kind of what to put on there, and you just add the stuff that you like to go along, like you always have. The same Subway experience that you always have, with a little different twist on it. I really enjoyed it. I thought it was very good. It's been a while since I've had any subs, because I took a whole month and done nothing but subs. So I give them a rest for a month, and I was happy to make a return visit to Subway today. I really enjoyed that sandwich. Now that one will cost you around $10. It's a little higher price sub than some of the others. With the combo, it cost me, right around 14. But I kind of expected that, and it didn't set me back too bad. And I wanted to try the monster, and I'm glad I did. I really enjoyed the sandwich. It was good. I give it a 2 thumbs up for sure. And like I've always said, Subway's got so much variety as far as sandwiches go. If you can't find one that suits you, then you ain't trying hard enough. They got so many different ones, Don't give up on them. If you don't like the first one, try some of the others that they have. They definitely got the softest, best bread, when it's done right. And here lately, it's been a long time since I've run into a bad one. So, alright, folks, that is all I have for this review. So until the next one, you folks have a good one.